In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Gmail auto reply for office hours. This is really useful if you want to keep your contacts informed about when you're available and manage their expectations about response times. So, let's jump right in and make this setup as simple as possible. First, you will need to open your Gmail account. Type Gmail into your web browser and log in using your credentials if you aren't signed in already. It's vital to do this to access the email settings. Once you're in your inbox, you're going to look towards the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see a small gear icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu, where you need to select See All Settings. This takes you into the main settings area for your Gmail account. While you're in the settings panel, you'll see the top menu with several tabs across it. You need to click on the General tab if it's not already selected. Now, scroll down through the list of options until you find Vacation Responder. This is the feature we're going to use to set up your auto reply, even though we're tailoring it for office hours. Next, click on Vacation Responder to activate this feature. You'll want to fill in the first and last days for your auto reply message. If you want this to be ongoing without a specified end date, you can just leave the end date blank. In the subject line, type something clear that people will immediately understand. It could be as simple as Office Hours Auto Reply. Now, it's time to craft your message. This is where you customize the text to let people know when you're available to respond. Keep it courteous and professional, something like, "Thank you for your email. I am currently observing office hours between start time and end time. I'll respond to your message as soon as I am available. Thank you for your patience." Remember, the message you write here is what people will read when they get the automated response, so consider how it's worded carefully. Now, there's another choice you can make, whether to send this auto reply only to people in your contacts. There's a checkbox labeled Only Send a Response to People in My Contacts. If you want this, just tick the box. Otherwise, anyone who emails you will receive the auto reply. Once you're happy with your message, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. And there you go! Your Gmail is now set up to automatically reply to incoming emails during your specified office hours, enabling you to manage your emails effectively without leaving your contacts in the dark. That's all for today's tutorial. See you next time.